Yewe Kagame ko zahiye Rwanda ku mugaragaro. This is a time to reflect on the kind of world we want our children to live in. As a global community, we have more in common than we think. And within us, we always have the tools to repair, to renew, and to reset. It does not mean that we have to agree on everything, but we must respect each other's choices. All of us, doing the best we can in our unique contexts. There is no longer room for the powerful to impose their vision about how others ought to live, or to create narratives that falsify the truth. This must always be resisted, even when under pressure. But there is also no possible excuse for injustice wherever it occurs, whether committed against us as Africans or inflicted by ourselves. Indeed, we Africans are people who have consistently fought injustice. We don't need any lessons about how best to do so. And we must all humbly acknowledge the necessity to adapt our political and governance systems to our specific conditions and the expectations of our citizens. Like everyone else, what matters most to us is to see our people living safe, healthy, and dignified lives.